Let's toast our bread and make sure it is in the correct setting so that our bread doesn't burn. We just want to harden it a little. This is the right one. Okay, so now we mix the garlic with melted butter. We need a brush. Let's just apply butter to one side of the bread. Then sprinkled our bread with Parmesan cheese. And we just spread it with a spoon. And now let's sprinkle with parsley. Then we put it in the oven toaster for 4 minutes to harden the bread. You can also increase the time, guys, depending on you, if you want the bread to be a bit brown. Okay, so after 4 minutes, so let's just slice the bread into 3 parts. Okay guys, so it's done. You can partner it with coffee and egg in the morning for breakfast. So guys, keep our body healthy, eat nutritious food, and exercise regularly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Just press the bell at the bottom of this video. Take care!